Welcome to today's edition of the AI watching stock news, deal tracker, and advancements in artificial intelligence. Hey folks, Sam Mowers here, back with another episode of the AI. For stock news today, IBM has partnered with Lufthansa Group to establish an AI studio, and Twilio has joined the Alliance for Telecommunications Industry Solutions board. Then we'll take a look at some projections for the edge AI market. So IBM, which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol IBM, has partnered with Lufthansa Group to establish the Lufthansa AI Studio, a collaboration that leverages AI to help address the airline's business challenges such as improving customer service. According to the press release, the AI Studio is simultaneously working on more than 10 different solutions for various departments within Lufthansa Group, with a focus on applications for sales, customer service, and operational areas. Dee Waddell, the global managing director of travel and transportation at IBM, explained, quote, "As airlines look to optimize operations and enhance customer experiences, we're seeing a continued progression of technology deployment to create solutions that deliver a powerful combination of data and technology. Airlines, like Lufthansa, are applying AI to sift through vast amounts of customer data to solve problems and more quickly respond to their passengers' needs. Through the IBM Garage, a unique co-creation experience, IBM experts and Lufthansa employees are working together to develop AI solutions that can rapidly move from a new idea to adoption across the airline, putting data-driven insights at the fingertips of employees to help better serve customers. The Lufthansa AI Studio demonstrates the airline's continued commitment to driving innovation and creating exceptional customer experiences." End quote. Twilio Inc., which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol TWLO, has joined the Alliance for Telecommunications Industry Solutions, or ATIS, board of directors, where it will help drive the development of technology solutions such as mitigating unwanted robocalls. ATIS comprises over 150 companies in the information and communications tech space and addresses subjects including IoT, 5G, smart cities, artificial intelligence, unwanted robocalls, and cybersecurity. Krister Fahlgren, the lead telephony software architect of Voice and Video Business Unit at Twilio, commented on ATIS's Shaken and Stir solution. Quote, "ATIS epitomizes the type of industry partnership and coordination needed to establish trusted communications amidst the incredibly rapid pace of innovation of new technologies impacting user information and data on their electronic devices. The Shaken protocol is a crucial element for empowering users to decide which calls to accept or decline and give them more control of what happens on their phones. We look forward to working with ATIS members to further contribute to the Shaken and Stir specification to help stop unwanted robocalls once and for all." End quote. Now we'll pivot to some projections in the edge AI market. So a report from Research and Markets finds that the edge AI market will exhibit a compound annual growth rate of 20.3% in the forecast period from 2019 to 2024. An excerpt from the report description outlines key trends observed in that market. Quote, "Governmental bodies across the world are embracing advanced technologies to address the important aspects of ensuring the security and safety of citizens. Surveillance serves to be a key factor in the process. Some of the major devices for edge AI hardware used by government agencies for their purpose includes surveillance cameras and drones. With the ever-increasing population, environmental damage, and criminal activities, cities are facing new challenges each day, and this has resulted in the need for surveillance cameras. These are very much required for the prevention of incidents such as crime, burglary, and vandalism. Besides, governments also use surveillance cameras for enforcement of the law by analyzing the behavior and face recognition. China is at the forefront of installing AI-based surveillance cameras to scan public places to track anomalies in behavior and criminal identification. A recent journal published in the New York Times reveals that the Chinese government has installed around 200 million surveillance cameras across the country in 2018 and is planning to install another 426 million by 2020. The country aims to spot crimes and accidents easily by integrating private and public cameras to build a nationwide surveillance network." End quote. And that's it for today's AII. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.